Good morning, class. We are going to have now GK, class 5 students. Today, let me inform you that I'm going to take chapter 12, 13 and 16. So be ready with the books and listen properly the answers I'm dictating. You can write it down, okay? Now chapter 12, this one. Health tips to prevent constipation. Constipation means a bowel system. You have to see that every time you have a clear potty, isn't it? Because unless and you don't have that clear, you will be getting lot of problem in your body. And to stop that, what are the things we got to do? We are going to learn from here. Some of the tips are given which we should follow so that we will not have constipation. So, number 1, drink at least 8 glasses of water daily. It flushes out all the toxins from the body. So, if you drink every day 8 glasses of water daily, it flushes out toxins from the body. So, what will be the answer? It will be drink plenty of water. Then what happened? Your system will be washed out. Number 2, eat enough salads, vegetables, fruits, corns, half-crushed wheat, porridge or dalia. This helps our body to get rid of undigested food and thereby prevents constipation. So if you have these type of roughage like salad, vegetables, fruits and corns, half-crushed wheat, porridge or dalia, I think most of you have, isn't it? So these are very good things which we should take to prevent constipation. So why? Because in short form we can say we should eat fiber-rich fruit. So third one, do moderate regular physical exercise like walking, playing games. It helps the movement of the food through our digestive system and thus prevents constipation. So little movement, running, playing games, these are also necessary. So what are the another thing we should follow? We should do exercise regularly. Now the fourth point, eat 3 times a day. You must not skip your meals. It stimulates the digestive system. Missing meals can lead to constipation. If you don't eat your food proper time, and 3 meals is necessary, 3 times you should eat in a day. And if you miss any meal, so this will also affect your body and you will not have your motion properly. For that also you can have constipation. So according to this chapter, we should know that eat diet with enough roughage. Drink lots of water, warm water, run around, play little bit, and then you will never face what? Constipation. So 4 points are: drink plenty water, eat fiber-rich food, exercise regularly, don't skip meals. Okay, and then now quiz time. Number 1, what should we drink early in the morning? Coffee, chilled water, cold drinks, lukewarm water. It will be D, lukewarm water. What should we drink early in the morning? It is lukewarm water. 2, when you have constipation, you should eat what? Pizza, brown rice, burger or spicy dishes. No. If you have constipation, you can have brown rice. Will make your motion, your stomach system clean. Okay. 3, chronic constipation may lead to Means if you have a severe constipation, it is not good. Which might do what? Brain tumor, asthma, narrowing a large intestine, or a heart attack. It's narrow the large intestine. So answer is C. Now we will go for chapter 13. Which country is famous for which game? Okay, we are going to know that. So national sports, page 20, chapter 13. Number 1, skiing. Skiing is a game, national sports, which is famous in Norway. Number 1, skiing is famous in Norway. Number 2, golf. We play golf. Golf is famous in Scotland. Golf is famous game sports for Scotland. Number 3, baseball. Baseball is the famous national sports game for the United States. Baseball is for United States. Football is famous for Italy. Football is famous for Italy. Now take the correct answers. What? Now let us go for the 5th one. Oil wrestling. Oil wrestling is famous for Turkey. Oil wrestling is famous for Turkey. Number 6. Bandy. Bandy is a game which is very famous in Russia. Bandy is a game which is very famous in Russia. Number 7. Taekwondo. Taekwondo is a famous game of South Korea. It is a famous game for South Korea. Number 8. Number 9. Sumo wrestling. Sumo wrestling is famous in Japan. Sumo wrestling is famous in Japan. Another one we missed is number 8. That is volleyball is famous in Sri Lanka. Volleyball is famous in Sri Lanka. And the last is cricket, which is famous in Australia. Cricket is famous in Australia. And the 11th one is rugby. 11th, which is the last, is rugby, which is played in New Zealand. Now, why do we play games? Playing games makes us healthy. And it also helps us to imbibe values of sports spirits and fair play. So, apart from studies, games are also essential in our lives. Quiz time. Which of the following is the national sports of Bangladesh? Rugby, kabaddi, oil wrestling, cricket. It will be B. Kabaddi. Which of the following is the national sports of Bangladesh? It's kabaddi. 2. Arnis is the national sports of Scotland, Norway, Japan. No, it's Philippines. Philippines. Football is the national sports of Poland, Mauritius, France, and all these. It will be all these. Sepak takraw is the national sports of Jamaica, Iran, Malaysia, or Mongolia. It is a famous game for Malaysia. So we have done chapter 13. Now we will go to chapter 16. It's a very entertaining page. See, all about the roller coaster. The different types. So don't you enjoy? When you go to fair and all, you find all these things type. If you go to Nico Park or Aquatica, especially in the Nico Park, you will find this. So, amazing roller coasters in the world. In world, which place, which roller coaster is very famous? And how much is their height or speed, that we are going to learn. Number 1. World's tallest steel roller coaster with a height of 139 meter. That is Kindaka, Six Flags Great Adventure, New Jersey, United States. Got it? Number 2. Once again, world tallest steel roller coaster with a height of 130 meter is Kindaka, Six Flags Great Adventure, New Jersey, United States. World's fastest roller coaster with a speed of 240 km horsepower. It is Formula Rossa. It is Formula Rossa. Ferrari World, Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates. It's in Abu Dhabi. Can you see which day is celebrated as National Roller Coaster Day all over the world? Yes. It is 16th August is celebrated as National Roller Coaster Day all over. Now 2 more left. World tallest wooden roller coaster with a height of 60 meter. World tallest wooden roller coaster with a height of 60 meter. That is Colossus Head Park, Lower Saxony in Germany. It is Colossus Head Park, Lower Saxony, Germany. Here it is. 4th one, world's fastest wooden roller coaster with speed of 116 km per hour. That is Goliath, Six Flags Great America, Chicago, United States. It's there. Now quiz time. The roller coasters with the most number of inversions in the world's 14 inversion is Gatekeeper Ohio, US, the Similar Ohio, US, the Smiler Staffordshire, UK, or Discovery Cove, USA. It will be number C. It will be number C. Quiz time number 1, answer is number C. Now quiz time number 2, the world's tallest roller coasters with tallest inventions about 52 meter above the ground is Gatekeeper Ohio, US, the Smiler Stafford, UK, the Barnstormer, Paris, or Space Mountain, Paris. Number 2 quiz time answer is A. Number 2 quiz time answer is A. So today I have done chapter 12, 13 and 16. So we'll meet on the next class. I'll also do 2 more chapters, okay? Let me see how much I can complete. Because from 60 exams are starting, isn't it? Okay, stay healthy, stay safe, and be serious with your studies. Because very soon your exams are going to start. Yes? Okay? We meet on the next class again.